Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting live output from the dynos. This shows runtime errors and startup lines. First, make sure you've installed the Heroku CLI and run Heroku login. Once authenticated, confirm the exact app name, then run Heroku logs tail your wrap name to stream events. This immediately reveals process boot messages, crash traces, and logplex metadata, so you can act fast. If you need a snapshot instead, you'll change the flags in the next step. Once you have streaming working, persist and filter logs to analyze root causes. Use Heroku logs num 1500 your wrap name for a larger historical snapshot, then pipe to grep or awk to isolate errors or request ID. For continuous retention, add a log drain or an add-on like Papertrail. Make sure to configure the syslog endpoint so logs flow off-platform. When done, you can query the external store with timestamps and search terms to trace requests across dynos and time. To complete the task, export the relevant range and archive it for postmortem. Heroku logs num 1500 app logs. TXT then upload or store it securely. Make sure you keep key timestamps and request ID for traceability, and set up rotation or retention in your logging service to avoid overage. If logs are missing, check that you use the correct app name, that your account has access, and that any log drain is active. These steps usually fix the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.